Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our Photos app, and right here we have to choose the photo that we want to hide. For example, this one. So now we have to hold on this photo like this. And as you can see at the bottom here we have set as private option. Now we have to click OK. And as you can see, now we have to set a privacy password. So I'm going to set password like this. Now we have to confirm our privacy password. Here is security question, so from our teacher's name. So I'm gonna type Jacob. And I'm gonna try again, and as you can see, it's now hidden in the private folder. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!